Hello, viewers of the tube. Here to do a real quick update on Chainlink. The video that I did yesterday on Chainlink has the most views out of any video that I've done in a long time. So thanks for watching. Feel free like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. If you'd like a link to our Discord, let me know. I'd love to have you there. And of course, with the normal disclaimers, all that I'm going to go through today isn't financial advice. This is all just my opinion on the market, and yeah, you're responsible for your own trades. So without further ado, I think we should go ahead and kind of get started here. So yesterday when we were talking through this video, basically we were in this candle right here. So I want to focus on that because that's important, as I did outline this swing low here as an important area that we needed to find support. And we spent 2, 4, 6, 8 hours just closing right above it. So we were closing there at about 257, and we had our area of support there at about 256. We did wick down as far as 254, but we never did approach this level here at 250. So these are areas that were important, and I had outlined those. So for this to be a valid swing 1, our swing 4 couldn't go, it can't penetrate below this level right here. Now, I still do believe that we are in a fifth of our larger third wave. So I do believe that we still have farther to go before we eventually do come back down to the same level that we were at yesterday. So if you're looking to buy, it's still a decent opportunity for you to buy in the 255 range. Now, what does that mean? Does that mean that maybe you should sell right now? I would say just by what I'm seeing here, we probably do have a little bit of steam left. I would set some sells at about $2.80. I would definitely take profit there. And what I tend to do in the market, again, this is just my opinion, what I tend to do in the market is I'll take maybe half of my position, and I'll liquidate half of my position at a certain target and then reaccumulate on the wave down. So again, I'm looking still here at about $2.55, $2.56 to reaccumulate. So if you have 100 of your Chainlink and you sell 50 of them, you might be able to buy 60 down here. So you're increasing your position size. And maybe you only buy 50 and you keep that 10 off to the side for something else. You take that profit and then you move it into something else because, we all know what happened in 2018. Everybody was talking about, oh, I'm going to dollar cost average. I'm going to dollar cost average. That was in a bear market, and you just eventually you get to the point where you have a ton of your tokens, but it's worth nothing, right? So you do have to be careful on this. So if you were to reaccumulate down here at 255 or so, your stop loss is still going to be at this same level of $2.49 and $2.50. You've got to cut those losses because when you're wrong, you're wrong. And when I'm wrong, I need to know when I'm wrong. So right now, what I'm really expecting, and I'm going to go to a 1 hour time frame to illustrate this, we were talking about this right here, this being a bit of a, starting down here, we've got oops, I've got the wrong tool. Let me get the right tool here so I can outline this for you. All right, so from right here, we've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this was good because this level here at the 4 didn't penetrate the level at the 1, so that was good. Then we had an ABC, ABC, and then an ABC to get us down here to the 2. So the geometry on this looked pretty good. And then now we're doing the same thing. We're doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, and actually the 4 is about right here. And then we're doing from right here, we're doing a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we're going in for the 5. This is likely what could potentially happen. At this 1618 is where I would expect things to stop, and I don't have the levels perfect. So down here where I'm pulling down my my extension, it's not quite perfect, but basically we're looking here at about $2.80. So that's where I would be looking to get out. Then what we're going to do is we're going to be looking for an A, a B to create a head and shoulders to come down again to our 4, and then we're going to be looking at another inverted head and shoulders, a 1, 2, and to move up here. We're going to want to come up here to this level for, and then go up here for the 5. And again, that's about the $3.15 level. That's about all that I'm willing to project right now. I'm thinking that that likely is going to be a decent area to be taking some profit off the table at $3.15. But again, if we are going to be super bullish on Chainlink, it more than likely is going to go much higher than that. And so let me tell you what I do when I'm projecting my wave 3. And I'm going to remove this so that, or at least I'm going to hide it. And then I can always pull it back there if I need to. All right, so from down here, so just like I did on this move right here, this 1, 2, to get my my wave 3 target, right? To come down to the 4 and then all the way up here to the 5, I use the trend-based fib extension tool, and that's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to start down here at the bottom, and I'm going to go to the projected 1 and the 2 down here. So now let's see where this gets us. And again, this is going to be on an extremely bullish impulse. What we're actually looking for this 3 is actually looking to be, if this is super bullish, we're going to be looking to come up here to $4.57. Now again, I'm not going to tell you that Chainlink is going to go to $4.57. I'm not going to sit here and tell you that. I would be ignorant if I was going to tell you that Chainlink is going to $4.57, even though that target technically it does flow pretty well here with this previous high there. It's almost you know, perfect for a double top scenario on a much higher time frame. But a lot of stuff has to happen up here for us to start to look at that as an actual target. Really, this impulse that we're on right now, it does have to go up here to $3.18, and then for us to come down to find this as support here at $3, for us to even consider $4 and $5 as targets. So again, a lot has to happen. I'm not going to tell you that things are going to go up this high. What I'm really telling you right now is, you know, we have high probability coming here to $3.09. We have another probability target of $3.67. But again, you know, we're still pretty low. We still have a dominant pivot that we have to break through, which is right here at $2.95. And again, I did outline this in some previous videos. This level here has had support at this level. It's had support again. And then, you know, we did find this one area of resistance here. It would not surprise me one bit to go up there and test that one more time, and that's at $2.94, not quite to $3, but that 618, which would be a valid ABC correction. So right now we're looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again my 3, 4, 5 are just kind of hanging out here. This 5 again could be much higher. So this 5 right here could be all the way up here at 100%, while this 4 again maybe comes back down here. You know, this still remains to be seen, and we're talking a decent amount of time for this to happen. If you were able to accumulate in this green zone, that would be good. If you were able to accumulate at $2, and again, you know I say this all the time, and I'm just a shameless plug for joining the Discord. I was talking to everybody about breaking through $2 and just flying, which it did, right? And you know, I'm not going to say any more about that. But you know, again, lots of stuff that needs to happen here for us to be continually bullish on Chainlink. If it does happen to go to $4.56, then in my opinion, this 3 again would be, you know, all the way up here, which means we're really just creating, oh shoot. What we're really creating is a smaller subdivision on this 3. And would signify that we've got much higher to go. And so this 3 is what would be going much, much higher from where we currently are. I can't grab it. But anyway, the 3 would be all the way up here at this $4.56, which means the 4 would come down here to about $4, and then you would be looking at your much higher target. So if we were to come off of this, wave 1 as projected from the potential bottom of this wave 4, which is at $4, then now you're looking at $5.40 to $5.80 for it. Now, don't get super bullish. Don't take that as gospel. That's not a prophecy. That's a dreamer scenario right now. We have to wait for things to resolve in this area. And again, we have to break above $3. We have to test this $4.50. We have to find support at $4 for us to think that we're going to go higher than $5. So lots of things have to happen. It's going to take some time. And we just have to be patient. We have to be patient, but on, again, a lower time frame, just keeping an eye on things. We have this level here of invalidation on a much shorter term time frame. We did have the support here that we were looking for. We are expecting to come up here to the 1618. If we go to a 1618, that is highly indicative of this being a wave 3 and not an ABC. We've really already invalidated the ABC scenario, which an ABC scenario, so that's again from down here measuring the length of the first wave, projecting from the bottom of the second wave. And again, I say first wave, second wave, not as a 1-2, but a potential 1-2 or a potential AB. And then we're looking for a 618, a 100, or a 1236 as an ABC. If we go beyond the 1236, which we have done, we did that right here. We broke through the 1236, which means our high probability target now is going to be moving up here to the 1618. And then once we get up here, then we're going to be looking for our move down to the 4, and then we're going to have to wait and see what happens. If we're able to get up there to the 1236, or sorry, the 1618, then we'll do a fib pull on this to find out where our retrace target is going to be. So if we're again projecting this wave 2 to the wave 3, we're going to be looking basically at a pullback to potentially the 50%, but more than likely it's going to be $2.61. So these are the areas that we're going to be looking for, just assuming that we do get up here to about $2.80 or so. So that's what I'm looking at right now, looking at $2.80, pulling back down here to 250 to 265, and then moving up higher, more than likely above $3. And once we get up there, we'll talk about where things could potentially be going. But that's really all I've got for right now. So again, thanks for joining. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching. And like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Again, if you'd like a link to the Discord, I've got a couple links I have to send out from yesterday, and I'll get those out to you. Otherwise, I'll